Hi. That's my dog Chillin, the one who wanted to eat Molly. Molly's inside. And, so, Mom, don't point at Captain. Mom, give them their space. Give them their space. Okay, Chillin's stopped. Chillin's done.
He's a three.
So, he has 3 legs, if you notice. The poor dog got cancer, so. And, well, he's a greyhound, and he's crazy.
And what's he like about Molly?
So, they're hunting dogs. So, that's why he goes crazy around Molly. He is very playful. But, you can't be near small animals. Not Captain over there.